What up, YouTube? So this is Topher Lee coming back with you for another episode of my curly hair routines. So today, so far, I've washed my hair with my Pantene shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm going to go ahead and do a curly hair routine. What I start with is something really simple. I do the liquid oil cream method. So it's like a lock method pretty much. So my liquid so far is honestly water. Through the process, my hair may get a little dry, so I definitely have my spray bottle here, and that's got water in it, so I'll use that throughout the process. I'm going to start with my oil next. I use Blue Magic coconut oil. I get it from the dollar store, Dollar General, or Walmart. It's maybe $2, $2 to $3 at the most. It lasts for 6 months. Then alongside of that, the next product I'll use is Cantu Shea Butter. It is the leave-in conditioning repair cream, and following that will be my Cantu coconut curling cream. So this has also got shea butter in it. I love these products. These actually are ones that have worked with me throughout my process of when my hair was shorter to now. Your hair does change, so sometimes the products that you use may change as well. In this case, I love this. This has always worked for me. I've tried other things, and so far this is what I like. I do also have other products that I will actually share with you, a Camille Rose, Shea Moisture, and so forth. And also be looking out for my hair gel wax video showing you how I color my hair temporarily. It's really great as well. Moving forward, I'll go ahead and start with the oil. Since my hair is already wet, it's still wet here. I have low porosity, so you barely have any. It's not that wet, but yeah. So that's me starting out. So I'll go ahead, and what I'm going to start doing is actually sectioning my hair. So I'll section my hair. Right now I'll just do one section in the back, and then I'll just section the other two. What I actually love to use is my Denman brush. This thing here works miracles. You thought your hair was nappy? Touch with a Denman brush. It just goes straight through your hair. And one thing it does do is actually clump your curls. So if you're a stickler with clumping curls and actually having your curls just stay together and look amazing, I say use this brush. If your hair's tangled, just make sure you never really want to comb or brush your hair when it's dry. It hurts. That's one thing, but definitely it also could have breakage when you do that. So it's always good to at least spray a little water on it, something to be a little moisturized before you actually do comb or brush your hair, because it's horrible. So I'll go ahead and start with my oil. That is with my coconut cream. So this is, I just use just a little bit. I'm very generous with my hair because I like it to look nice, and keep in mind, I'm going to keep my hair like this all week. So this morning it was 66 degrees, now it's about 30. So I'm going to keep this in all week. I don't like to do my hair throughout the week, so this is something that I'm going to have to, endure and enjoy. So moving forward from there, I put the oil in there, and I'm just going to brush it through. I just really like to brush it. This is the only time I brush it. After that, I won't use the brush any longer. That's just me. But just depending on the type of routine I'm going for, I may brush it throughout. But yeah, so that's that. Now I'll go with the conditioning cream, leave-in conditioner. Same thing here. I like to be generous. This is what I'll be using. I do the raking method. The shingling method, I love it. It takes a long time. You will definitely have a video from me doing a shingling method. For now, this is great. I love the way it acts on my hair. So, yeah, it's just amazing. Then I'll go ahead and do the coconut curling cream. Now this is more of a dense, creamier, so I don't use as much. This actually, that's about the same amount, but not as near as much as the leave-in conditioner I was using. This is the last thing, so I like to have this. This puts shine to my hair, and it feels like a lotion. And there are some hair strands that you want to like kind of shingle, and shingling is actually where you pull it and you just ring it around, and it does its own little thing. I like to make sure I get all in there. Now what I'm going to do is tie it up. I'm going to go to the next section. I tied at the end. This helps lengthen as it dries. I won't keep it up the whole drying time though. Keep it at the end. I'm going to the next section. Same thing. I'll speed it up here, but I'm going to start with the oil. Now it's time to take the hair out of the hair ties and shake. Keep in mind, I let this style last at least 1 week. As the week goes on, I use my big tooth pick and I pick it from the roots, not all the way to the ends. I like to see my hair get bigger and it looks amazing. If you're wanting less frizz and more defined curls, you can use the Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer by Cantu as well. You just spray it on. It'll for sure make your curls pop. At night, sometimes I may wear my silk bonnet, sometimes I may not. Either way, definitely it's gonna look good for me. You try it each way to see what works better and best for you. Remember, I am not being sponsored by Cantu. I just honestly love their products. If there are any products or any styles that you would like me to try, comment and I will definitely be happy to see how my curls react. I'm done.